Hi everyone, this is your host Chef Andy from Keto Fine Dining and welcome back to my channel. So on one hand, substituting breadcrumbs on a keto diet might seem easy. I see a lot of people using plain almond flour, flax meal, or even pork rinds. But let's face it, they're not the same as proper breadcrumbs. That is why in this video today I wanted to share with you my special recipe for keto breadcrumbs that are literally the best low-carb and gluten-free breadcrumbs out there. They're not just like the real deal, but even much better. They're full of flavor, fragrance, and you can use them just like your regular breadcrumbs in your recipes to bring your dish to the whole new level. It does take a little bit of time to make them, but it's totally worth it because, boy, they make everything taste so much better compared to the real breadcrumbs. So here's how I make them, and in here you can see all the ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe. The first step is to combine all dry ingredients and then mix them in before we add the rest of the ingredients. So I'll start with 1 cup of almond flour, half a teaspoon of dry parsley, half a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Give it a quick mix. Then let's add 2 egg whites. Mix them in. And then let's add 60 grams of cream cheese. Now mix it well until everything is fully combined. When that is done, let's take another microwave-safe bowl and combine 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese with 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, then give it a quick mix and melt the cheese for another 30 seconds. Now let's combine melted cheese with the rest of the ingredients to form the dough. Next step is to take a large piece of parchment paper, put the dough in the center, and using another large parchment paper, spread the dough with your hands into a thin layer. Unpeel 1 piece of paper and carefully transfer it to the baking tray. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake it for 15 to 18 minutes. After that, remove from the oven and let it cool to a room temperature. The final step is to take a food processor and blend everything for about 1 minute. Using these breadcrumbs, I quickly fried some pork cutlets to show you just how delicious they look when cooked with meat. So let's give it a try. Wow. Absolutely incredible. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because I have a ton of other recipes like this one that I really want to share with you. I wish you well, and I'll see you very soon in the next episode. Bye!